Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello dear students and welcome to CET JEE classes of permutations and combinations, and in this class we'll understand the concept of combinations. Now first of all, what do you mean by the word combinations? Alright, so here it means that combinations is nothing but selection. Alright, so it is equivalent to selection. So we are making different teams, we are making different groups by selecting the members, okay, or selecting the objects and making groups. So this is basically the selection. So whenever you see that you have to make a group, make a team, make a committee, and in those cases you have to use combinations. Whereas permutations means arrangement. Let me explain what's the difference. Alright, imagine there are 3 students. Alright, so there are 3 students A, B and C. First case, I'll say arrange 2 in a row. Alright, so what is this? You have to arrange. Arrangement is permutation. Right, now in this case in how many different ways you can arrange 2? So you can arrange it like AB or BA, correct? Or next you can take BC, okay, and you can arrange them like CB, and finally you can write AC or CA. So there are totally 6 ways. And what is it? Out of 3 students, you have to arrange, you have to permute 2 students at a time. So what is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial, 3 minus 2 factorial, which is nothing but 3 factorial divided by 1 factorial, which is 3 into 2 into 1, 6. Right? So therefore you will get 6 different arrangements. AB and BA are 2 different arrangements. Here A is in the first place, here B is in the first place. When you arrange them in a row, order matters. So in this case order matters. Alright, so order is important. You have to note whether order is necessary. If order is necessary, then you have to go for permutation and not combination. Now what do you mean by combination? Alright, so you have to select 2, alright, and make a team of 2 or make a group of 2. Alright, in all these cases you have to use combinations. Okay, you have to use combinations. Now what are the different teams you can make out of 3 students? One team is a team consisting of A and B, correct? B and A and B makes the same team. Alright, even though the order is different, imagine you want to play badminton. Alright, there are 3 students, you have to make a team of 2 students. How many different teams you can make? That's the question that we have to address. Alright, now what are the different ways you can select? One way is that you can select A and B or B and A, both will give you the same team, they don't give you the different team, right? Similarly, you can select the student A and you can select the student C, and similarly you can select the student B and C. C and B makes the same team. Okay, I hope that is understood. So totally how many teams possible? There are only 3 teams possible, and what is it? Out of 3 students you have to select, you have to have the combinations of 2 students each. Now this is based on NPR formula. Now what is NPR? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Alright, so 3p2 is 6, but now 2 things are similar when you go to combinations. These 2 things are same, okay, these 2 things are same, these 2 things are same, so you got to divide 6 by 2. In other words, you have to divide by 2 factorial, so that would be 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 3 minus 2 factorial. So 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial is the same, but additionally you have to divide by 2 factorial. So 6 divided by 2 will be 3. So this is going to be 3. Alright, and what is NCR? NCR is NPR divided by r factorial. In other words, it is n factorial divided by r factorial and n minus r factorial. Alright, so that's the way we arrive at the formula. Okay, and please understand, whenever order matters you have to use permutation. When order does not matter, when order does not matter, use the combinations. So that is the thing, that is the concept you have to differentiate between. Alright, so when you see a question, you just have to look at whether the order is necessary there. If the order is necessary, arrange them in a given order, okay, in all possible orders, and count the permutations. Alright, if order does not matter, just group them together. Alright, have a team of 11 members, have a team of 15 members, have a committee of 10 members. All those come under combinations. Well, so that's the difference basically, and that is the difference.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.